Fix Windows 11 keyboard keys not working. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the keyboard keys if they're not working on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. Don't worry, we've got some easy solutions to get your keyboard up and running again, so let's get started. First, make sure your keyboard is properly connected. If you're using a wired keyboard, check if the cable is securely plugged into your PC. For wireless keyboards, check if the USB receiver is properly connected or if you need to replace the batteries. Now try restarting your PC. Sometimes a simple reboot can fix many minor issues including problems with the keyboard. Right click on the start menu and select shut down or sign out and select restart. This can refresh your system and reset any temporary issues with the keyboard. If your keyboard seems to be acting up in a strange way, it could be due to sticky keys or filter keys. Now what you need to do is open settings and go to accessibility and scroll down and go to keyboard. Now make sure sticky keys and filter keys are turned off. Another thing to check is your keyboard driver. Sometimes an outdated or corrupted driver can cause the keyboard to stop working. To update the driver, right click on the start menu and select device manager. Expand the keyboard section. Right click on your keyboard and select update driver. After that, choose search automatically for updated driver software. If there's an update, Windows will install it. Now, if updating the driver didn't work, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling it in the device manager. And that's it. I hope one of these solutions helped fix the keyboard issue.